I told you that there's a website that pays you just to write names? Not long stories, no design, just simple name ideas. And guess what? It's legit. It works real fine. Now, in this video, I will show you the secret website, exactly how it works, and even give you another free platform where you can sell your name ideas to international clients. So stick to the end of this video so that you don't miss any step. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isabella, and in this channel I explore the smart, simple ways you can make money online. So today's video is perfect for anyone who is creative, loves writing or branding, and wants to earn in dollars without spending money to start. So grab your pen, your phone, or your laptop because it might be your next side hustle. Let me explain something most people don't know. Every day, new businesses are launched, apps are produced, websites, and even YouTube channels. But finding the perfect name is not easy for them. It has to be short, catchy, available online, and meaningful. Now, because of that, companies are now paying regular people like me and you to help them find creative names. That's the business, and it's growing. Now, the best thing about this type of business is that not a lot of people know about it. It is very, very, very rare. A lot of people don't know about it. It's not popular yet. So now is your time. Now is your chance to earn big time from it. Now, the first platform that can help you get this kind of clients is atom.com. So, atom.com. Then, to become part of the people who earn from by giving names, you scroll down to the very last end of the website, and you're going to see creatives. Now, look at this. Now, under here, you click on become a creative. To take you here, think you're creative, join our community and participate in branding contest summit, unique name ideas or logo designs to companies. Win cash award if your idea is selected. Now, they say, how does it work? Step 1, submit your best ideas to a naming, logo, or slogan contest. As a creative, you submit your ideas to active contests. The more you submit, the greater your chance of winning. Some contests may allow you more submissions if you've reached a higher creative tier. So which means you can submit more than once for one particular contest, which means if you have, like, let's say multiple ideas, like 20, 30, you can submit more than once. Now, step 2, contest holders rate your ideas and submit feedback. Now, Atom contests are collaborative. The business or individual holding the contest can rate submissions, leave comments, and ask questions. The best way to win contest is usually to take feedbacks into account and submit more ideas. Which means, for example, you post one name and the person that posted the content says, okay, can you make this, and then you make the correction and post it back, and then they look at it and they like it. But if they correct you like that and you just leave it, you might not really win the contest because they don't like it. That's why they pointed out the correction. Now, step 3, earn cash award if your idea is chosen. If your idea wins the contest, you get the award money. Award amounts are listed for each contest. Now, step 4, earn badges, points, and bragging rights when a contest holder likes your idea. You can also earn badges and points when your idea scores highly, and you won't win cash when this happens, but you can earn the trust of contest holders and progress as an Atom creative by boosting your versatile score. Hopefully, this will lead to your future wins. Now, to get started, you click on Get Started, and then you fill in this information, your name. Now, note, you can either join as a buyer, meaning people that want to buy names, or you join as people that sell names. But what we want to do is sell names because we want to make the money. So you click on sell and then put in your information. Now, here is the second platform where you can also make money writing names. Let's head over to fiverr.com. Let's say we're looking for baby names. Search. Now, if you can see on my screen, you're seeing people offering the service already. I will create super cute printable baby diaries for you. And this is something you can use simple AI tools to create for yourself, for the client. If you scroll down, you will see this. I will suggest suitable names for your baby or fictional character. I will create newborn baby poster for a gift. I will suggest business products, baby name for baby names with domain and slogans. Now, look at this. These people are charged. This person is charging $5. This person is charging $20. And if you go down, you still see more. I will design baby shower invitation for $5. So if you create and to create your profile on this particular platform, it's free. When you create your profile, just do design, create your post, and then put your price, and then people come online because most of the time, some parents don't have the time to start cracking their head for names. Start cracking their heads for names. So they come to places like Fiverr, Atom.com to get people to suggest names for them. I will provide baby names to you for $5. I will suggest baby names for $15. So it's up to you to either sweep this idea under the carpet or give it a try.